The cockatiel in this video was cage-bound for 15 years. As a result, he was extremely cage aggressive, but he eventually learned it was okay to be removed from his cage. Even though he now loves to be outside of his cage, he still exhibits some aggressive behavior when being removed. There is no real biting, and I've chosen to dismiss it as posturing. Watching an episode of The Dog Whisperer made me wonder if I was doing a disservice to this bird. Is his behavior mere posturing, or is he truly stressed? In rewatching this clip, I noted two things. One, that looks a lot like real stress, and two, I was moving my hand into the bird's physical space before giving the up command. I decided to try an experiment wherein I give the up command without ever touching the bird, allowing him to choose to step up when he is comfortable doing so. Up, 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 up. Good boy. Good boy. Up. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Up. 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 There we go. There we go. In the following clip, I reverted to pushing in before giving the up command, and you can see what happens with that. Up. Down. Up. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, we took a 2-hour break, and now it's time to see if the work we did this morning has any effect on how he comes out of the cage now. Up. Good boy. You are such a good boy. I am happy to report that he has been in and out of his cage numerous times since this was taped, and as long as I remember to do my part correctly, he comes out of the cage with no so-called posturing.